From Slide Nerd, this is Weaves. Hello folks, what's up? Everyone loves working overtime, right? So this time, we're gonna see how to calculate a bonus for a poor guy who has been slogging for an extra hour. So let's go ahead and see how that's done. First, you have the output. You ask the user, enter number of hours worked, enter hourly rate, say 10. The pay is 400, right? 40 into 10, simple, straight, nothing much. Total hours 41. Now here's the trick. After 40 hours, for every extra hour you work, you're gonna get 50% more pay. That's what our program does simply. So you say hourly rate is 10, so the pay is 415. As you can see, for 1 hour more, he has been paid $15, which is 50% more compared to his hourly rate, right? So this is what we are gonna do in our program. So first, let's see how this is done. So here's our poor guy who's been working overtime to get some extra cash. So what does he do? There are only two things possible. Either he has worked for 40 hours or less than 40 hours, or he has worked for more than 40 hours, right? So if he has worked for 40 hours or less than 40 hours, you simply say salary is rate into hours. If he has worked more than 40 hours, then here's the thing. For the first 40 hours, calculate salary as rate into 40, and then for the extra hours, you just take 50% more salary, right? That is extra hours. You can say 1 hour or 2 hour, 50% more salary. That is $10 per hour. If it's the hourly wage, you'll take $15 per hour. That's what you're gonna do, right? So let's go ahead, get this baby up and running in NetBeans. So again, I have a blank project here in NetBeans. I've done nothing. We are gonna ask the user some inputs. Let's say enter hours worked, copy paste this, enter rate, and again in the end you'll say pay is something. Copy paste this. Java's gonna say blah blah blah. I don't know what buffer reader is. Simply write an import statement. Make sure you throw an exception. Alright, so at this point stuff is ready, right? So now here's the thing. Since we are calculating rate, which can change, we are gonna take double, say double hours worked, then rate, then pay. 3 variables, right? Each of them is gonna be 0 in the beginning. Hours worked, you can say hours is, what do you call that, reader dot read line. Problem is, this reader dot read line will give you a string. You read a double, so use a function called parse double. This parse double is inside double class, so say double dot parse double. Copy paste this thing. Now you have your rate. Pay is, oops, there is no such thing like this. Pay is something we are going to calculate, right? We are not going to ask the user, right? So let's keep it this way. So at this point we have the rate and the hours. So now we need to check whether it's less than 40 or it's more than 40, right? So we will say if hours is less than equals 40, else, remember, even if the hours is 40, it's not overtime, right? So we say less than equals over here, else something else. So now let's figure out how salary is calculated, which is your pay, right? So hours is less than 40, we say pay is rate into hours, right? Here you have worked more than 40 hours in the else part of it. So here your pay should be your hourly rate for the first 40 hours and extra bonus, right? So extra hours, how will you find the extra hours? It's nothing but the total hours you worked minus 40, right? This into the bonus, 50% of your salary. How will you calculate 50% of your salary? It'll be something like this, right? You have your pay, which is, your rate, suppose which is $10 per hour. You want to add 50% more to this. So you're going to say something like this, 0.5 into rate You guys getting what I'm saying? This is for the first 40 hours. This hours minus 40 gives you the extra time. If hours is 41, then 41 minus 40 is going to be 1 hour. This $10 per hour, the rate is 10 plus 0.5 into rate, which is going to be 15. So this is exactly what we are doing. So at this point, system.out.println pay, and you simply have to print the payout. So let's say Control S, Shift F6. Let's test it out. 40 hours, rate 10, pay is 400. Shift F6, 41 hours, the pay is 10, the pay is 415. So I hope you guys understood something out of this. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel. We'll love to hear from you. Comment, let us know what you think about this. Keep watching. I'll see you guys later. Have a nice day.